Isinailalim na ng Commission on Elections sa COMELEC control ang bayan ng Dato Odin Sinsuat, Maguindanao del Norte. Ito ay kasunod ng pamamaslang sa election officer ng bayan na si Maceda Abu at sa mister nito. Tinanggap na rin ni Maguindanao del Norte Provincial Election Supervisor Attorney Nabil Mutya ang memorandum order mula sa COMELEC.
Yun nga, actually, yung ating the Honorable Chairman of the Commission on Elections, George Erwin Garcia, no, yesterday, there was a public declaration that the municipality of Dato Odin Sinsuat is now under COMELEC control. No? In fact, the vote by the commissioners with the chairman is unanimous. So unanimous decision po yun, yung paglagay sa COMELEC control ang Dato Odin Sinsuat. So yun po yung latest na declaration from COMELEC Manila. And but it was also mentioned that the guidelines that will be observed by the officials who will implement the COMELEC control, it will follow. So they are in the process of finalizing the guidelines or the parameters to be observed in the implementation of the COMELEC control in Dato Odin Sinsuat. Mayroon ng declaration kahapon, but yun nga, we are waiting for the official document. Siguro it will come with the or it will be downloaded to us with the guidelines, as I've said earlier, that they are now drafting. So, yun ang hinihintay natin.